Song composed by Yossi Green, who's done a lot for Jewish music. Yeah, just some water. If you have just water, thanks so much. It's words that we say. It's words that we say Friday night at the Shmoneh Esrei. Oh, thank you. Remember this arrangement now. It's coming out the whole time. Brand new songs for Shabbos. Kidashti es yoyim hashvi'i lishmecha Nitach nizmaseh shamayim ha'oretz V'yato kidashti es yoyim hashvi'i lishmecha Nitach nizmaseh shamayim ha'oretz Itach nizmaseh shamayim ha'oretz